You want to join the mission of turning $1 into $1 billion? Let's do it. 30 bets in a row. With our full set of picks, we're 15-6 overall. The parlay hit last night, so we're bet 3, $4. The first part of our parlay, we're going with Sochan over 0.5 steals. The Suns give up the 5th most in the NBA, and he's averaging 1 over his last 20 games. If you're tailing this parlay and joining the mission, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and have your notifications turned on. The second part of our parlay, we're going with Wendell Carter over 0.5 3-pointers made. He's averaging 1.75 head-to-head and averaging 1.15 over his last 20 games. For the full list of tonight's NBA picks, check the link in the description. If you haven't already, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and have your notifications on. Share this with a friend and comment below what you think our next bet should be.